Suppose if you are in Microsoft Excel and if you want to open the insert function dialog box, you must remember this keyboard shortcut, that is Shift F3. You must press the Shift key and F3 at the same time. Okay, I'll show you if you are in Microsoft Excel. Okay, I'm in Microsoft Excel page now and I'm going to insert the function box. For doing this, I simply press the this is the for example, if I want to insert in this cell. Okay, select a particular cell here, and after that I press the this is the shift key and this is the F3 key. So I press the shift key and F3 key at the same time, then you can see that this insert function both are been added here. And from here, if you want to add something, you can do here, or if you want to select the categories, then you can do from here. So for inserting this function both, you must follow the simple step, that is you must press this shift key and F3 key at the same time. For more you can subscribe. Thank you.